What's going on, future entrepreneurs? Welcome back to your favorite channel where we talk passive income, stocks, crypto, and affiliate marketing. Go ahead, guys. You know I got a new goal. I'm trying to get to 500 subs by the end of the month. Go ahead and hit that like and the subscribe button for more content. Now, you already know statistics. What we're about to talk about. We're about to talk about what are we going to do with these COTPS profits. If you have COTPS profits, then that means you are doing good, you are doing well, you are making money like everybody else in the system. Depending on how much you put in, it's going to determine how much you earn every single day. If you're watching this video, I appreciate you watching it. First of all, second of all, I'm going to give you guys a couple quick tips on what you can do with your profits if you decide that you want to take them out and not let them sit and turn into a snowball, like I'm probably going to be doing with some of my profits. Tip number one: invest in yourself. Go buy some ebooks. Go buy a book. Read a book. Invest in some courses. And the type of courses I'm talking about would be learning about Facebook, learning about TikTok, learning about Instagram. Go ahead and just learn about different platforms. Learn how to do the things that you aren't able to do if you're not good at creating capture pages. If you're not good at whatever marketing thing it is that you're bad at. Go ahead and try to fix those, or kind of not fix, but actually get better at what you're not good at. That's one thing you can do with investments. Just go out and educate yourself, and just go ahead and get yourself a better education in whatever business you're in, whether you're network marketing, whether if you're in crypto and you need to learn more about crypto, or something of that nature. Number two, other crypto projects. There's quite a few crypto projects. You see them all over YouTube. You see them online. There's one called, I think it's called Baked Beans. There's another one called Swap Next. There's quite a few projects. Let's go and search. You can just do a search for crypto projects, or just follow a YouTuber. Check out, just go online, go to Google or go to YouTube and search for crypto projects, or just go in and type in cryptocurrency. Oh, my tongue tied now. Cryptocurrency passive income, and I'm sure quite a few programs will come up. Just make sure you do your due diligence as you would for just like this one, where you would check to make sure that it would be something that would fit your needs, and we'd be able to kind of put your money from one place to another, and you would have a pretty good idea of what's going on, and make sure you're comfortable using that particular platform. So number one, you invest in yourself by educating yourself on the things that you're not efficient at. Number two, there's plenty of other crypto projects that you're pretty sure you're hearing about online when you sign up to certain sites, certain YouTubers, and you also search certain things, they will show up in your YouTube feed. So that's two. The number three is you can do staking, which is also in cryptocurrency. There were certain apps a while back. I used an app called Celsius. Let me see if I can pull it up and show you what it looks like. It was an app that I used a while back that was called Celsius, where it would let you stake your Ethereum. But the thing with staking is when you stake your Ethereum, it has to sit there for a certain amount of time, so it will be locked into the that particular platform until they release it. But what they'll do is they'll pay you kind of like dividend stocks. They'll pay you a certain percentage of the oh, that's not it. I forgot that they had a drink like that, but let's see. They will pay you dividends on how much Ethereum that you have inside of the app. Here it is. Because I pretty much used this app before, and you also, for some reason, they let you earn. They let you you can get a loan on it. At the time I was on it, it's been a while since I've been on it, so I'm not sure if they're doing the same thing that were back when I was on it. But you were able to take a loan on your crypto, which I wouldn't advise you to do. And it says 1.7 million people call Celsius their home for crypto. You can buy, swap, borrow, earn, send, and store crypto all in one app with zero fees. If they have zero fees, and I definitely will be looking at that, because like the other apps that I use, Coinbase, and it's quite a few apps. The Coinbase app and some of the other apps, they pretty much have they have fees. Kraken, Celsius was one of the apps. Bread, Trust Wallet, KuCoin. They have Atomic Wallet. They have Gemini. They have Crypto. All those particular apps or even platforms, they're going to charge you a fee. Now, if this is zero fees, now they may have some kind of fee in there, and they're just saying zero to get you in there, but they'll have a fee to transfer it in or out. But so right here, they're saying zero fees, so that would be something else you have to look into as well. And if that's true, that would be something that would be very interesting. So let me see if they're still doing the Celsius What you earn. Okay, it says you earn up to 17% APY. You can borrow. You have a credit card. They didn't have that a while back. Swap, beta, pay. Because I know even now I still get emails from them saying you've earned a penny, even though I don't really have a lot. I can't. Sometimes you have to leave a little crypto in some of these wallets because you need a certain amount. Like if you notice, some cryptos you have to have another type of crypto in order to get it out. Some you need Tron, some you need Ethereum, and when you notice those will be the ones where you probably won't be able to get all of your crypto out because you're gonna have to put in crypto. You're gonna have to buy more crypto to get out the crypto, which is a little bit confusing, but that's how some of the networks are set up. So that's a third way you can use it, is stake the crypto, which they have plenty of networks that can do that as well, not just Celsius. If you just go to Google, Google is your friend. Use Google anytime you have a question. Google is Siri. Google is your dictionary. Google is your search partner. So just come on over to your search partner Google, and we're gonna type in staking apps. I'm sure you'll find them on YouTube as well. Now it says Kraken. There's one out of name. There's Binance, My Container, Stake, Coinbase. You can stake, Crypto.com, KuCoin, and you can also do something like this with 8 best staking apps. And you're gonna have to go in and check out each app and see what their fees are, what they charge, how much they is there a fee from transferring from one wallet to another. How much will I get if I hold it? How long will I have to let it sit? Those are some things you'll have to look at when you get in staking. Here's one right here: staking rewards, earn passive income with crypto. I'm not sure if there's a site that tells you exactly how much you'll get on each one, kind of like the crypto.com site, but maybe there's one out there. Maybe this is it. Let's see. And it looks like this may be the one. Let me get rid of this. Okay, it doesn't want to let me get rid of this so I can see, but of course there's an ad. So it looks like the asset is Ethereum, showing the price, and the total stake is 9%. Solana, I'm not sure what Terra is. I'm familiar with Cardano. Never heard of Avalanche. Like some apps will have different coins you can stake. Some of them will have brand new coins you can stake. Like it was a coin I saw the other day called the Ape coin, APE, like the monkey. I'm not sure if you can stake that one, but I'm pretty sure you may be able to. Just look into that as well. So this is another way you can earn. See, these are some of the apps. It says the top lending platforms. Here we go, the top 10 staking providers. For Cream Finance, My Container, Stake DAO, Rocket Pool, StakeWise, Garda Wallet. So this just come to Google and do a search. You can find crypto you can stake and earn an income from that as well. Depending on how much you put in, it's going to also determine how much you get out. So number 1, you invest in yourself. Number 2, you can invest in the other crypto projects. Number 3, you can do the staking as we just looked at. Number 4 is you can do something similar with passive income. Well, I call it passive income, but it's pretty much the stock market. With those stocks, they have stocks that pay dividends, and it's almost just like staking, except you don't have to leave it in that any account for a certain amount of time. It's locked. It's not really locked into that particular location or the app. You can make your withdrawal at any time, but they pay you for holding those stocks. And if you hold them over over the quarter, depending on how much you held, they will pay you dividends for holding. As you've seen on some of my other videos, when I've shown my cell phone and I went into my into the Robinhood app, it'll show you in there where I've earned certain dividends. It's not a lot, but it's just because I'm building up my account. The last time I checked, I earned like 90 cents on one, 40 cents on another. So it's starting to build up, and that's something that you can also use as a long-term passive income strategy, where you can transfer your money from COTPS. You can transfer it to the Robinhood app, for example, and you can put that money into those stocks, and you can earn passive income from your money that's already there. Now, how would you be able to do that? You want to transfer your money from crypto into stocks. That's probably going to be something else I have to look into. But as far as I know, you'll probably be able to transfer it out. The easiest way to start, transfer it out of the COTPS. You're going to trade it into cash, and once you turn it to cash, you're just going to buy the stocks that have the passive income. Now, I don't know if you'll be able to flip it from the crypto to the stocks, because now I learned the other day that now you're able to buy more. You already buy the crypto on Robinhood, But the other day I was showing where you can actually do other things with the crypto inside of Robinhood. So I'm not sure if they'll let you trade the Robinhood. I mean, I'll let you sell the crypto and then buy the stocks with it. That's probably would be an option in the Robinhood app if that's something that you would like to do. That's something you probably have to look into as well, just to see if that's an option. And the very last thing that I have for you today is another way that you can, what you can do with the other thing that you can do with your COTPS profits is just enjoy the profits. You can take them out, go out to dinner, treat yourself, depending on how much you have, you know, just enjoy your profits. That's it, guys. And for the rundown is 1, you want to invest in yourself, education, training. 2, other crypto projects that you see around the net. 3, passive income staking, which is like the Celsius app where you're staking them. 4, the stocks where you earn dividend stocks where you earn a percentage of those stocks as well. And number 5 would be just enjoy the profits. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you watching all the way to the end. This is the Passive Income Trucker. I am out.